purchasing a home in Florida. You may already be living here or coming from another state to take advantage of the weather and the tax rate, which is particularly low here. Whatever your situation may be, you may wonder, where should I start? What should I do to be sure I am going in the right direction and do not miss a step that may be critical to my purchase? Hi, I am Marine Laveau and I am a realtor in Miami. As a previous project manager in the marketing industry and a real estate advisor for more than 13 years, I like to help people understand how a real estate transaction works and how they can improve their purchase and sale. For example, I like to give insights to my clients on what they should do to double-check the information that are given to them or to prevent any issues that may arise if they are not well prepared. You will find in my YouTube channel Miami Tips and Trends 2 generic videos for buyers and sellers you can first watch to get an idea of what both sides should pay attention to. But as the buying and selling process is quite complex and involves many steps, I thought it may be useful to look closer at each phase of the transaction from a buyer or a seller's perspective point of view to understand what is required and how to be prepared to get to a smooth closing. Every 2 weeks I will release a new video, so if you want to be notified when I post the next video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Miami Tips and Trends. Today let's talk about what should every buyer do before shopping online at homes for sale. First, define your needs. How many bedrooms and bathrooms would you like? Would you prefer a single-family home or living in a condo? Do you need a garden or an outdoor area? What amenities would you like? How many parking spots are necessary? Try to be as much exhaustive as you can, as this homework up front will save you time in your home search later. Second step to follow in the buying process. If you have any children, think about what schools are available in the area you are looking to purchase, as well as the registration process and the applications deadlines. In every location, you may be able to find a website that will give you the boundary public schools for every street. I will put in the description below the Miami-Dade school locator if you are looking to purchase a home in Miami-Dade area. For others area, feel free to reach out to me if you don't find what you are looking for. For private schools, you can look at ranking websites like greatschools.org or niche.com, plus other online reviews to figure out if the schools you are interested in are a good fit for your children. The school selection plays a great part in the real estate purchase, and even if you don't have any children, you may want to purchase a home in a good school's location area to ensure a high resale potential. Third and crucial important step in the beginning of the buying process. What is your financial situation? To figure out how much you can purchase a home, do a spreadsheet of all your income, expenses, debts, future revenues, and future expenses as well. If you own a home that you want to sell or maybe keep as an investment property, consult with a local realtor who will be able to provide you with a free market analysis of your home and how much net you can get in both cases. During this step, we strongly advise you to consult with 2 or 3 lenders if your intention is to purchase with a mortgage, in order to have a clear vision of what would be the interest rate you can get and how much you can borrow, considering your financial situation. Fourth and last step in the beginning of the buying process. After you answer the 3 previous points, consult with realtors in the area you are looking to purchase. Explain them what you are looking for, your timeline, and try to understand how each of them can help you purchase the right home. As you did with lenders, interview and meet with 2 or 3 realtors. Choose the person you feel confident working with and who will be placing your interests first in everything he or she will do. You also need to ensure that the realtor you are going to work with is available and will act fast, so he or she can secure your dream home property. And do not forget that when you choose to work with someone who fulfills its mission, be loyal. Realtors are only get paid on commissions, which means that all the work they provide you during the transaction is not paid until the transaction closes. I do not know any other job that works this way. So be loyal and define with your realtors the best way to communicate with each other to ensure a great success for your real estate project. I hope you found this video helpful. In my next video, I will speak about how to choose your realtor and what you are entitled to expect. If you would like to be notified when I post the next video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Miami Tips and Trends. And if you have any specific questions related to the buying or selling process in Florida, feel free to send me an email or send a question in the chat below. I will be happy to answer those questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next Buy and Sell Wisely video.